Hi, this is a new setup for a 3D printer. It's a mixture of the famous Quadwrap and the MPCNC. As you can see, it has both rods, the square ones and the round steel rods. Nice kite work. So everything you see here is made of this rope. I tested it with my Dragon and it is really strong. So next thing is the Z-axis. I put some counterweights on the Z-axis to get rid of the total weight of the heater bed. So you can put anything on it, what you like, steel or even stone, flat stone bed. And if you have enough counterweight on the axis, it's moving like a feather. Okay, some new ideas. This is a alpha status. Nothing printed yet, but I hope it will become reality soon.